Let's dive into the details of the iQOO 12. This Chinese edition phone has got it all covered. Full Google mobile services and Google Play Store installed, OTA updating support, and much more. When it comes to the display, processor, storage, camera, and other features, the iQOO 12 packs quite a punch. So, shall we explore each aspect in depth? Display. The iQOO 12 Pro phone offers an incredible display experience. It features a stunning 2D display with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, ensuring smooth and fluid visuals. With a resolution of 3200*14K AMOLED, you'll enjoy crisp and detailed imagery. The touch sampling rate of 300 Hz adds to the responsiveness of the display. Additionally, the display has a peak brightness of up to 1800 nits, allowing for vibrant and bright visuals, and it supports 1440 Hz PWM dimming. It's safe to say that the iQOO 12 Pro brings visual excellence to the palm of your hand. Processor. The iQOO 12 Pro is packed with some serious power under the hood. It's powered by a self-developed Vivo Q1 gaming chip and a cutting-edge 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 5G mobile platform. This combination delivers exceptional performance with its octa-core processor clocked at an impressive 3.2 GHz. Whether you're opening applications, navigating menus, or running home screens, the iQOO 12 Pro's 8GB/12GB/16GB LPDDR5X RAM ensures smooth and snappy performance. Your gaming sessions and multitasking will be a breeze with the outstanding overall performance of this beast. Get ready for a seamless and powerful experience with the iQOO 12 Pro. Storage. With storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or a massive 1 TB, the iQOO 12 Pro ensures that you'll never run out of space for all your contacts, music, photos, apps, and more. Whether you're a digital hoarder or a media enthusiast, this phone has got you covered with its ample storage capacity. Say goodbye to the worries of running out of space and hello to the convenience of having everything you need right at your fingertips. Store away without limits. Camera. Oh man, you won't be disappointed with the camera setup on the iQOO 12 Pro. It's got not one, not two, but 3 rear cameras that will take your photography game to another level. The primary camera is a whopping 50 megapixels with OIS support, ensuring sharp and stable shots. Then we have a fantastic 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing those breathtaking panoramic shots. And let's not forget about the 64 megapixel telephoto unit, which allows you to zoom in and get up close to the action with its 100x zoom capability. And of course, there's a 16 megapixel front camera on the display, perfect for snapping fabulous selfies and shooting those vlog-worthy videos. With the iQOO 12 Pro, you'll be capturing stunning moments in no time. Say cheese! Battery. You won't believe the charging speed of the iQOO 12 Pro. It's equipped with a massive 5,100 mAh, 2*2550 mAh battery, ensuring that you have enough power to keep up with your busy day. But the real game changer is the 120W flash charge technology. Are you ready for this? It can fully charge the phone from empty to full in just 19 minutes. Yes, you read that right, 19 minutes. Say goodbye to long charging times and hello to more time enjoying your awesome phone. Get ready to power up at lightning speed with the iQOO 12 Pro.
What you want? With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.